I request everyone to unmute yourself, and also I request participants to just write your name, affiliation in chat box so that anyone can contact with you. Hello, Prashant Kumar, Namita Sanju, Anu Chaudhary, Brinda, Chanchal Kumari, Dhirendra Dahiya, Dhruti Rana, Rabindra Baderia, sir. Please, anyone unmute yourself. Hello, Anu Chaudhary. Do you want to share something, Anu Chaudhary? Hello, Dr. Nagrani Mahajan, Dr. Rasika Siddiqui, Dr. Sleha Memon. So this one is the platform for discussion. So whatever you have the research experience or the information or the knowledge, you can share with the others also. Hello. Jiskan Pathan. So just you can start, unmute yourself and introduce yourself. Namita Sanju Devendra. Please unmute and introduce yourself. Namita Sanju, Brinda, Chanchal Kumari, Dhirendra Dahiya. Yes, Rabindra sir.
Bolo sir.
Hello. Okay, no problem. So just you can introduce yourself. Okay? Unmute yourself and just introduce. Namita Sanju, just unmute and introduce yourself.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir. Am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible now.
So, hello everyone and good evening, sir. I am Namita Sanju Devendra from SIWS College, Vadala, which is in Mumbai. And now I am in TY doing microbiology degree. So, I have no background about research and I have no idea about that. We have just started a research and I've just started a research in dye degradation using microorganisms.
Okay. Thank you, Namita. Okay. Now the Dhirendra Dahiya.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Hello, everyone. Myself is Dhirendra. I am from Madhya Pradesh and I have completed my master's in biotechnology. If I talk about mushroom cultivation, I have no prior experience, research experience about this. That's all about me. Thank you so much.
Oh, thank you, Dhirendra. No. हेलो हाँ सर আপনি আজকে জয়েন করছেন স্যার So, dear participants, just wait for a minute. Okay, one expert in the mushroom cultivation from the northeast, Dr. D.K. Majumdar sir is joining now. So, he's one of the means we can say the expert in the northeast, means in our area.
Yeah, that will be better. I think better to take
Yeah.
opinion of the experts.
Yes, sir. He's
Because
expert, sir.
most of the participants are the aspirants, so
Yes, sir.
they should get benefited with a wiser person.
Yeah, I just called him, sir, for joining.
Wonderful.
So now, Karthik, just unmute and introduce yourself because this is the platform to just know each other so that we can contact each other for our learning purpose. Okay. So please don't hesitate, unmute yourself and introduce. Brinda, Chanchal Kumari.
Those who are PhD holder, we can ask them always.
Yeah.
हेलो हेलो
Yes, yes.
मेरा नाम सागर है और सर
हाँ,
मैं
सागर।
गुजरात अहमदाबाद से बिलोंग करता हूँ सो हम लोग मशरूम से मेरा पीएचडी में हम लोग वेटरनरी एस्पेक्ट से हम लोग मशरूम का एप्लीकेशन भी ढूंढ रहे हैं और अभी हम लोगों ने मशरूम बेस्ड नाचोस कुकी चॉकलेट और उसमें से विटामिन डी एनहेंसमेंट का एक प्रोसेस भी डेवलप किया है सो हमारा एक स्टार्टअप भी है जिसका नाम है न्यू बायोटेक और इसी तरह हम लोग ज्यादा से ज्यादा मशरूम बेस्ड अवेयरनेस का प्रोग्राम्स भी कर रहे हैं So thank you for giving me attend this program or opportunity.
Thanks. So can you share your some research experience or in
Practical experience.
practical? Yeah.
या सर अभी इंटरनेशनल बुक फेयर लगा है अभी मैं यहाँ स्टॉल पे ही हूँ आप देख
अरे
सकते हो
बढ़िया।
कि यहाँ
Yeah.
यहाँ अभी अहमदाबाद जो रिवर फ्रंट है वहाँ हमारी प्रोडक्ट्स भी लगाई है तो ये पॉट्सविन डी है कि जो हम लोग हर रोज 3 ग्राम लेने का है सो अभी मौका भी मिला है कि मैं स्टॉल पे ही हूँ और अभी हमने मशरूम बेस्ड नाश्ता भी बनाया मशरूम और मिलेट का यूज करके
Very good.
So NIFTM Kundli has recently developed technology, but they have done technology about mushroom technology. So our goal is not just paper-based work. We are mainly focusing on paper to product level. So this is our instrument. Just I will show you. Yeah, this is our instrument where just you have to put just a mushroom, and after 90 minutes they will already entries by vitamin D by UV irradiation. And this is all about our startups. So I think I am in my laptops. So maybe you can see that.
Protein D, na? Means vitamin D, this one.
Yeah. Just and so thank you. That's about.
Which type of mushroom you are using?
Sir, we are currently promoting oyster mushroom because in most probably in Gujarat there are most probably farmer have suitable condition 20 to 28 temperature in 6 to 7 months. So our motto is yeah.
Sir, hello.
Yes,
Hello.
yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Let
हाँ,
me sir advance.
one more lady. Dhakate, Dr. Dhakate, ma'am,
Yeah, from Maharashtra.
Maharashtra.
Yeah, sir, our motto is there is not simple any one market in India कि हम जहाँ जाके मशरूम को सेल कर सकते हैं. So हम लोग क्या करते हैं कि जितनी हमारी रिक्वायरमेंट होती है मशरूम को फार्मर के पास बायबैक करते हैं एंड हमारी रिक्वायरमेंट क्या हम उसको वैल्यू एडिशन करते हैं क्योंकि मोस्ट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम फार्मर क्या करते हैं मशरूम ग्रोथ तो कर देते हैं बाहर मीडिया में देख के कि इतना मिलता है वो सब कुछ करके लेकिन वो टिकते नहीं है सो
International Wrestling
वाली क्या
Association of India. And can anybody in this hall
Sir,
which event
Difference, sir.
Yes, sir.
She is a Dhakate, ma'am. She is an expert in mushroom.
Welcome. Let us welcome Dr. Trupti Dhakate, madam.
Yes,
Even I
welcome,
wanted
madam,
to talk
in
to
this
her from
roundtable
quite long time.
discussion.
Yes.
She is in the meeting, but she has joined.
Mhm.
She will talk for a few minutes and she will again exit.
Definitely, sir.
Okay.
We are the
Definitely.
only chapter in the country, by
Dear
the way,
participants,
to do the maximum number of events, to have the maximum number.
Hello,
of events,
am I audible?
to have a
We can
Yes,
hear
yes.
you, but
Yes,
lot
yes.
of background noise is there actually.
Hello,
Mhm.
hello.
Dhakate,
Yes,
madam, we
yes.
can hear you.
Yes. Okay. Good evening, everyone. I am Trupti Bhushan Dakate, founder of Quality Mushroom Farm. Thanks to Dr. Arvind Deshmukh sir, he has given me opportunity here to talk with you. 2018 से मैं मशरूम की खेती कर रही हूँ और मशरूम फार्मिंग जो है ये हम जैसे जो एग्रीकल्चर वेस्ट है लाइक वीट स्ट्रॉ soybean straw and paddy straw we can grow over this agriculture waste mushroom. We are cultivating oyster mushroom and milky mushroom and we are about to start so many species also now. Exotic mushroom also we are about to start and since 2018 I am cultivating these mushrooms and basically we are doing B2B business only.
and we conduct mushroom cultivation workshop also. If we are talking about mushrooms, so many misunderstandings in villages, and even in Pune also misunderstanding was there that mushroom is mushroom comes and mushroom is non-veg, and आपको पता ही है गांव के लोग इसको क्या बोलते हैं, जैसे कुकुरमुत्ता बोलते हैं मराठी में अगर बोले हम तो कावळ्याची छत्री असं सुद्धा लोक म्हणतात. तर so many misunderstandings about mushroom, but mushroom is fungus and it comes under we can say it comes under plant category, and it's veg we can say. And so many from mushroom so many dishes we can make, like mushroom cutlet, mushroom soup, then mushroom pakoda, so many dishes we can make, and it's very delicious and it has a lot of health benefits. लाइक अगर आपको पता होगा तो मशरूम जो है ये शुगर भी कंट्रोल में लाता है, और यानी डायबिटीज पेशेंट के लिए अच्छा है मशरूम. और ये इट हैज मशरूम में फाइबर भी प्रेजेंट रहता है, इट कंटेन फाइबर, so it minimize the constipation problem and it resolves acidity problem also. So many amino acids are present in mushroom, and it is we can say it is protein rich, uh, and it contain antioxidant also like ergothioneine and selenium. यानी अगर हम हमेशा मशरूम खाएंगे तो हम यानी जैसे 40 का एज होगा तो हम 30 दिखेंगे, ऐसा इतना पावर ये मशरूम में है. क्योंकि ये डेड सेल्स रिमूव करने का भी काम करता है, जो भी हमारे बॉडी में टॉक्सिक मटेरियल है तो वो भी रिमूव करने का काम ये मशरूम करता है. तो सो मेनी हेल्थ बेनिफिट्स है मशरूम के, और ये एंटी कैंसर भी है. अगर हमने हमेशा मशरूम खाए तो हमको कैंसर भी नहीं होता है. कैंसर होने के बाद कैंसर होने के बाद ये रिकवर नहीं करता है, लेकिन जैसा हम बोलते हैं प्रिवेंशन इज बेटर देन क्योर. हमेशा अगर हमने मशरूम खाए तो कैंसर भी हमको नहीं होता है, इतना पावर ये मशरूम में रहता है. Mushroom, we are cultivating oyster mushroom. It requires 22-degree temperature, 22 to 28-degree temperature. If you will speak about the milky mushroom, it requires 30 to 35-degree temperature. So many varieties are there, like shiitake mushroom, lion's mane mushroom, ganoderma mushroom, and even cordyceps mushroom also. If you will speak about the shiitake mushroom, it requires 18-degree temperature. Then lion's mane mushroom, it also requires 18 to 22-degree temperature. And ganoderma mushroom is the anti-cancer mushroom, and it requires 27-degree temperature. गैनोडर्मा मशरूम जो ये हम खा नहीं सकते, इसकी सब्जी नहीं बना सकते, लेकिन फार्मास्यूटिकल इंडस्ट्री में इसके टैबलेट बनाते हैं. ये टैबलेट हम ले सकते हैं और इसका पाउडर भी हम ले सकते हैं. तो ये सब वेराइटीज है, और 7-8 वेराइटीज भी हम कल्टीवेट करने वाले हैं. कॉर्डिसेप मशरूम जो है इसको हम कीड़ा जड़ी बोलते हैं, और इसका माइक्रोग्राम भी हमने कंज्यूम किया तो भी हमारा इम्यूनिटी पावर बढ़ता है. तो सो मेनी वेराइटीज आर देयर, मशरूम्स वेराइटीज आर देयर. आपने सुना होगा मोरेल मशरूम, जिसको हम गुच्छी मशरूम बोलते हैं, तो ये भी हम कल्टीवेट कर सकते हैं. और बारिश के मौसम में आपने अलग ये टर्मिटोमाइसिस मशरूम देखी होंगी, जहाँ पे टर्माइट्स वगैरह रहते हैं उधर वो मशरूम उगाई जाती है. तो ये जैसे ट्राइबल लोग हैं ये 1200 रुपीज केजी भी बेचते हैं मशरूम. ऐसा ईयरबड्स जैसी उसकी कैप रहती है और लंबा ऐसा स्टॉक रहता है. तो ये जो मशरूम्स है ये कैसी उगाई जाती है, यानी नेचुरली ये ग्रो होती है. तो जैसे टर्माइट्स और एंड्स है ये जो एंजाइम्स प्रोवाइड करते हैं मशरूम के ग्रो होने के लिए, और मशरूम इसको खाना देती है टर्माइट्स और एंड्स को. ऐसे सिम्बायोटिक एसोसिएशन से ये मशरूम ग्रो होती है. तो ऐसे अलग अलग मशरूम्स है, यानी नेचर में इतना मैजिक है कि हम सोच भी नहीं सकते. जैसे बिजनेस के ग्रोथ के लिए सिम्बायोटिक एसोसिएशन हमको इम्पोर्टेंट रहता है, वैसे ही मशरूम भी सिम्बायोटिक एसोसिएशन करता है. तो हमारे पास अलग अलग प्रोडक्ट्स है, जैसे मशरूम कुकीज़ है, मशरूम पाउडर है, फ्रेश मशरूम, ड्राई मशरूम. जैसे अगर हम मशरूम का बिजनेस करना चाहते हैं तो फ्रेश मशरूम को ही हम ड्राई कर सकते हैं, ड्राइड मशरूम भी बेचा जा सकता है, ड्राइड मशरूम का ही हम पाउडर बनाते हैं. तो वो भी हम बेच सकते हैं। जैसे मशरूम पाउडर जो है ये 10 ग्राम लेना पड़ता है, यानी 10 ग्राम यानी 2 चम्मच अगर पाउडर लिया तो कॉन्स्टिपेशन का तकलीफ है, डायबिटिक पेशेंट है, तो ये रिकवर हो सकता है। और ये जो मशरूम पाउडर है तो ये हम सब्जी में भी डाल के ले सकते हैं, आटे में भी डाल के ले सकते हैं, पास्ता नूडल्स में भी डाल के हम ले सकते हैं। और इसके ये मशरूम पाउडर ही यूज करके हम अलग अलग वैल्यू एडेड प्रोडक्ट भी बना सकते हैं, लाइक मशरूम कुकीज, मशरूम खाकरा, मशरूम पापड़, मशरूम कपकेक, मशरूम मार्बल केक, ऐसे अलग अलग प्रोडक्ट्स हम बना सकते हैं। तो ये मेरा 8 साल का अभी एक्सपीरियंस है। इफ़ यू विल सर्च ऑन गूगल क्वालिटी मशरूम फार्म, मुझे मशरूम क्वीन ऑफ महाराष्ट्र भी बोलते हैं। तो ये
तृप्ति,
मेरी पूरी अभी 8 साल तक की जर्नी है। और हम फार्मर्स को भी सपोर्ट करते हैं, उनका मशरूम भी हम परचेज करते हैं। अगर किसी को मशरूम फार्मिंग करना है तो आप जरूर हमारे साथ हमको कनेक्ट कीजिए।
तृप्ति,
मेरी
तृप्ति,
वेबसाइट जो
you,
है ये
hello,
क्वालिटी मशरूम
hello, तृप्ति,
क्वालिटी मशरूम
तृप्ति.
.in करके हमारी वेबसाइट है।
But we
दैट्स
can
इट।
put your
थैंक
contact
यू सो
in our
मच।
chat box, madam.
थैंक यू. Thank you
Thank
once
you.
again, Dr. Arvind Deshmukh sir, and all professors and dear students. Thank
You
you
give
so much
your
to invite me
contact
here.
number. You give your contact
In
number.
chat box, madam, you can put your contact name. So, dear
Yeah, sure,
participants,
sir. I will share my details.
so today with us also Mr. D.K. Majumdar sir has joined. So he means renowned mushroom expert in Northeast zone. So now I'd like to
Now,
request
let us
Doctor.
complete first Trupti madam's interaction with her, because I think
Okay.
she is going, she has to go. So if anyone has any questions, we can just complete that. What do you say, Tiwari sir?
Yes, sir. So Trupti madam has shared her contact number in the chat box, so you can copy from there. So if you have any query to Trupti madam, because she is in any meeting, so she will
Yes.
leave. So if you have any question, you may ask now to Trupti madam, or you can write in the chat box. I can read out it.
How much is your turnover, madam, per day?
My turnover is uh, turnover is 15,000 per day, and yearly 50 lakh turnover.
Great.
Uh-huh. And how many types of mushroom you are cultivating presently?
Uh,
2, 3, 4.
we are cultivating oyster mushroom and milky mushroom, and now we are about to start lion's mane, shiitake mushroom, cordyceps mushroom, and ganoderma mushroom, uh, and so many varieties we are about to start.
What about shikate? Shikate you are doing?
Yes, shiitake mushroom.
Yeah, because our CSR IHBT has a technology for shikate mushroom production. Few of
Yes,
the
yes.
important steps of mushroom cultivation you can tell us, and how
Uh,
you use for a processing, very briefly, in maybe in 2 minutes.
yes, if we will talk about the oyster mushroom, it needs agriculture waste like soybean straw, wheat straw. We have to wash straw, and then we have to sterilize, and bed filling process is there. Then we have to keep bed for 15 days in incubation room. Then after 15 days, we have to shift those beds in growing room, and then we have to spray water, we have to use humidifier and fogger system, and then within 22 days we will get mushroom fruiting bodies. We will get, means after 15
So
days,
within 22
within
days, the
7 to 8 days
product
we
is
get
ready.
mushroom.
Hello.
Yes.
Sir.
I think network issue. Tiwari sir, can you
Yeah.
hear me?
Actually, I have come for a restaurant association summit, so might be network issue there. So हेलो.
Yes, yes, we can hear you.
हाँ, थोड़ा नेटवर्क इशू है शायद इधर. या
Hello.
पूरा देश भर
Thank
ये
you so much,
नेटवर्क
madam.
इशू है, लेकिन Tiwari sir is
मुजुमदार
very
सर
busy
जो
today
है
on phone.
मुजुमदार सर जो है ये वेस्ट
ये
बंगाल से है,
मजुमदार
सर
सर ही
को
मैडम
मैं
अभी
अच्छा
कॉल किए
पहचानती
थे।
हूँ। मुजुमदार सर को मैं पहचानती हूँ, हम अभी बैंगलोर में भी मिले हैं मशरूम समिट
मजुमदार
में।
सर, आर यू देयर सर? हेलो।
हेलो सर,
हेलो
हाउ आर यू?
Sir, you are mute.
सर, प्लीज अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ, मजुमदार सर।
थैंक यू सो मच माइक्रोबायोलॉजी सोसाइटी ऑफ इंडिया, स्पेशल थैंक्स टू डॉक्टर अरविंद देशमुख सर कि ऐसे लोगों से कनेक्ट करके देते हैं सर,
हाँ सर,
देशमुख
আপনি
सर,
মিটিং
तो
এ
अच्छा
আছেন স্যার?
लगता है।
আচ্ছা স্যার, জাস্ট আনমিউট করেন। থ্যাংক ইউ
Okay,
সো মাচ ম্যাডাম ফর জয়েনিং।
okay, that's it. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you for inviting me. Yeah,
থ্যাংক ইউ ম্যাডাম।
yeah.
9325.
यस, डीके मजुमदार सर है joined. Please unmute yourself.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. I am DK Majumdar from Mushroom Biotech, Jalpaiguri. I am working since last 40 years for the development of mushroom industry in Northeast India, the country and abroad. I would like to share my experiences for the last 40 years. We started our journey just to develop the rural people and uplift them from the poverty level. So when we started in Northeast India, the scenario was absolutely zero. Now we are producing mushroom in tons. In fact, it's in tons, and we are producing these mushrooms, and our network is marketing the entire product throughout the Northeast India, absolutely fresh. So what happens? I like to suggest all my cultivators and all my clients that treat mushroom like newspaper or milk, so that you can market your product immediately and get the cash back. Otherwise, what happens if they try to dry the mushroom? What happens? It becomes a problem for them to market the dry product or to process and go for the next step. So that way, we have developed a huge market throughout Northeast India, from Tripura to Kathmandu, all the Gangtok, Nepal, and all these areas. They are producing mushrooms in immense quantity and marketing their product daily and earning like milk and newspaper. Because everyone knows that after 11, there is no value for the milks or the newspaper. In the same way, what we do, we treat mushrooms like milk and newspaper and tell the producers, market your product immediately after harvesting, very early in the morning. Our harvesting starts around at 4 a.m. in the morning, and it is sold out by 11 to 12. So this is my experience, and this is the only way to develop mushroom India throughout the country. If everyone goes to the middleman or dries the product, it becomes very much cumbersome for them to market the product in future. So this is my experience. Actually, tomorrow I am very busy because tomorrow we have got a seminar. Dr. Tiwari will be also be there. We for the last 4 months we have started internship course for the undergraduate college students. So tomorrow we are going to have a seminar in Jalpaiguri SC College. Dr. Tiwari is also invited, where we will be awarding the certificate to the internship courses of 60 hours. We have done it properly in a proper manner. So this internship course we are also opening for the general people. For the students, it is absolutely free, but it is paid for the entrepreneurs. So just 2 or 3 words I'd like to conclude today, and in next opportunity I would like to talk in elaborately about my experience, about my journey for the last 40 years. I would like to invite questions from anyone who are interested, sir.
Hi, sir.
Yes.
I am Veet Goyal from Bhaskaracharya College of Applied Science. I'm a first year doing BSc Microbiology. So I would
Yeah.
like to ask that you said that you cultivate mushrooms freshly, and but the thing is that just like Trupti ma'am also said,
Yeah.
mushroom cultivation has become a very common entrepreneur topic for generally everyone. So, how, what can you do different so that your business works better for the outcome?
You are from which place, madam?
Sir, I'm from Delhi.
In Delhi. Actually, the mushroom cultivation, we'd invite students like you who are studying with micrology, microbiology, or biotechnology to come up with the industry. Because recently we have noticed one thing that initially what happened, we used to like to export mushrooms to different countries, Europe, China, Japan. We'd try to export our products, but now what has happened, we have focused a change in the scenario. The people of Europe and this China, Japan, they're coming to our country to invest in this mushroom industry. Because what happens, their manpower over there in their country is very high, so they are coming to our country and they are trying to engage with the entrepreneurs and trying to do mushroom business over here, production part over here. What happens when they go for this business? What happens? There is a very need for technologies, students, all the this technologies and students, educated people who will be working in this industry for the future. So there is a immense scope for the students who are in microbiology or mycology in this field to be an employee or employer, or become interested in the academics. The way is wide open, madam, for the next at least 15 years. There is no competition in this market.
Yes, sir, I understand. Thank you.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Any more question? You can also
Sir,
write
what
in the chat box.
sir, what type of mushroom you are cultivating, and how is your experience with reference to contamination?
Actually, yes, I'd like to talk over here regarding this one, sir. We started our journey with the oyster mushrooms because oyster mushroom production cost is very low and profit percentage is very high. And actually, I don't cultivate mushrooms. I nurture the technology. I develop the technology. Prepare good quality of strains and good quality of mushroom seeds. My seed is being supplied from Tripura to the whole Northeast India. I give them the proper technology to cultivate these mushrooms, and they are cultivating their mushrooms and marketing in the local markets. In reference to my laboratory, approximately daily more than 5,000 to 6,000 kg of fresh oyster mushroom is produced and marketed daily. And regarding the contamination part, here comes the role of these students, mycology, microbiology students, who will come up with the developed technology, and we need to work on the infrastructure development. These are the dots, and I'm working on the development of these parts. I think I'm clear, sir.
Yeah, to some extent, how is the rat problem usually when we cultivate mushroom in a
Yes,
closed
sir.
rooms? No, rat,
Yes, sir.
rat or mice problem. Have you experienced?
Rat and mice problem.
Yes.
Sir, I also face this problem. Recently, I have got many cat. I have brought some few cats, and they have breeded, and they roam around in my farm. And presently, for the last 1 year, there is no chance of rat infection, sir. This rat, the cat is fighting with the rats. That's the only way out, sir.
So best way is a biological control.
Yes, best is the biological control. We have to control when we make the cylinders so that the mushroom flies can't enter into the bags and doesn't lay eggs. So we
So
have to control by
you suggest consuming the fresh mushroom or processed one.
absolutely, sir. 200% fresh mushroom consumption is best
What
because
about
in
we
yes, sir.
develop different products like a previous speaker was telling that that can be used in incorporating in a flour or other things. How is the
That can be
nutritive
done,
value?
sir, whenever we have excess mushrooms. But
Okay,
at present, in our area, there
uh,
is dirt in the fresh products. So we don't suggest cultivators to go for drying the mushrooms. If
mm.
mushroom is dried, approximately for oyster mushrooms, if simply I talk, so 12 kg will give price 1 kg of fresh mushroom. 12 kg mushroom dried will give give 1 kg of dried mushroom. But the price which should be the fresh mushroom into 12, it doesn't come in that sense. So there is loss for the cultivators. Another thing is that 1 kg or 2 kg dehydration will not work. You have to work for say quintals, and that time what happened, the investment becomes stuck up. The small cultivators, they stuck up with their investment to keep the dry. And another problem is that the storage problem of these dry mushrooms, if it is not properly stored during this rainy season when the humidity is high, the total this dry mushroom becomes contaminated with different type of fungus and bacteria, and it is not consumable. So we always tell the cultivators to motivate them. What we say, in the morning, you go to your farm, you find there is 100 kg of mushroom. You find 100 kg of mushroom and you market it to the product. If you can't market it, you throw in the dustbin. Don't go for drying. This motivates them to market their own products. Sir.
It's
Yeah,
a food. So this one for the cultivators.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, I'm Namita Devendra from SIWS College, which is in Mumbai, and I'm currently studying TY Microbiology.
Very good.
So before joining MSc, I wanted to do an internship, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
So you said that you are conducting an internship in
Yes,
this.
ma'am. 60 hours internship, which is suggested by University Grants Commission, is done in my institute, sir, ma'am.
Yes, sir. So after completing my TY Microbiology, in which I'll complete in 3 to 4 months.
Yes, ma'am.
So I would like to join your institute, sir,
For
for the
internship?
intern.
Or
Yes,
yes.
sir.
Welcome. Welcome, ma'am. I'll give my address and you can easily contact me and come over for internship course.
Okay, sir. Is it a paid internship?
For the it's obviously paid for the entrepreneurs, which I mentioned initially, but for the
Yes.
students, it is absolutely free, and you have to bring letter from your institute so that I can proceed in that sense. It's free for
Okay,
the
sir.
students.
Where is your institute, sir? May
It's
I
in
know that?
Jalpaiguri. Jalpaiguri. It's near to Dr. Tiwari's college. It's in Jalpaiguri, West Bengal.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Sir, as you have already said that
Sir,
for
how you will share your details to me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sure, sure.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
You can share,
cultivator,
sir,
sir,
in
for
the
the
chat box.
cultivator, you always prefer for the fresh, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
But what
Absolutely.
about the consumer, sir? Means is there any nutritional difference in between the dry and the fresh one, sir?
No, absolutely no. Rather, fresh mushroom is more tastier, more healthy, because drying process at present in our area, in our tropical country, it's not being properly dehydrated. They are not being properly dehydrated, not being properly stored. So there is a chance of contamination over there.
So
Fungal
nutritional
contamination.
values is more in fresh or dry one, sir?
Which one, which one, sir?
Nutritional value more in fresh mushroom or dry?
It's all the same. Only the water gets dehydrated, sir.
Okay. Thank you,
So
sir.
10 kg of, if you consume 10 kg of fresh mushroom, which is equivalent to 12 kg of fresh mushroom, it will be equivalent to 1 kg of dry mushrooms. Nutritional value. Only the water gets dehydrated, sir.
Any
Any
more
question?
question? If you have any query to how to develop your Miss Mushroom farm, you can ask to sir. Sanjay Raut. Hello.
Hello.
Sandeep Sagar Patel is it? So if you have any question, you may write also in the chat box. I can take from there. Or you can
Okay, and I'll
unmute.
share my WhatsApp number also. That is my contact number and WhatsApp number are same. Anyone having any question, you can contact me. Always welcome. I'm doing this service for the last 40 years, and I'd like to help everyone in this community, sir.
One
Thank you very
question,
much. Thank you
one
for
question is
inviting me.
from the welcome that what is your turnover, sir? One question.
My turnover is in the laboratory part. Turnover is around 2 crores per year. So got the answer, sir?
No more questions, sir, now.
Sir, what type of mushroom? You are only cultivating oyster mushroom
We
or
are we are
common?
already into oyster mushrooms. I produce the seeds and technology and supply to the
Only
cultivators.
yet, yes.
Yes, we are doing oyster mushrooms, mainly focused on oyster mushrooms because oyster mushroom production cost is very low and the profitability is very high. Investment is also very low. And along with that, we are doing shiitake, lion's mane, cordyceps, all these mushrooms, which are the specialized gourmet mushrooms, sir.
Seed production is totally a different methodology compared to the regular crop.
Regular,
With regular
which crops?
product.
Regular, we have developed different type of protections from this contamination by insects. We have developed our technology and we give the technology to all our clients throughout Northeast India, sir, and they are doing it successfully.
And you also use the soybean straw only as a substrate?
Straw, locally available with straw. We have paddy straw as the substrate, and sometimes if we can arrange, if the cultivators can arrange, they are using wheat straw along with it.
For seed production, also the same substrate you use.
For the production, I'm telling. For the spawn
Seed
production, we are
production.
using wheat medium.
Okay.
Sir, there is one question from Brinda.
Yes, ma'am.
Is there any other unknown wild mushroom native to our land which needs to be explored?
Yes, sir. Absolutely. Northeast India is a haven for this biodiversity of mushrooms. There are different type of mushrooms which is consumed by the local people. It is yet to be recognized, yet to be brought into cultivation. There are numerous, and we are doing it in that sense also. We are doing some mushrooms we find in the field. We identify it. We are getting the cultures. We are preparing spawn, and we are trying to put it into the cultivation. And they are much more this tasty and health nutrient also. It's very valuable, sir. We are doing it, but there is immense scope for the students, sir. They can easily come up with this subject, and they can get their career done.
Sir,
So what is the market demand, sir?
Market demand has got no limit in our area, sir. We are in reference to my laboratory, we are producing approximately 5,000 kg oyster mushrooms per day, and it's being marketed fresh. And yet there is dirt in the market, sir.
One question from the Professor Prakash Alami, sir. What
Yes.
about the poisonous mushroom?
Yes, to my this view, all wild mushrooms are poisonous until properly identified by an recognized institute. All wild mushrooms are poisonous until it is identified by a recognized institute as edible. If we see any mushroom in the field, we shouldn't consume it until it is properly identified by authorized institutes. Because there are many mishaps going on. What happens? It's more dangerous than snake bite, because if the snake bites, there is a treatment. If the snake bites in the family, only one person will die. But due to mushroom poisoning, there is no treatment. And another thing is that the whole family will consume the mushroom, and the whole family will die overnight.
Can I ask one question, please?
Yes, sir. Always welcome.
I'm Swaranjit Singh from Chandigarh.
Yes,
the
welcome.
City beautiful. Some people fortify mushrooms
Sir,
with
voice is cracking, sir.
selenium, for example, and they make powder of mushroom and selenium. What?
Couldn't get you, sir.
Sir, your voice is cracking, sir. Suranjit Singh, sir.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Now you're audible, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir, you're
Please,
audible.
1 minute. I'll go out. They fortify mushroom with
Yes, sir.
selenium, for example. And
Yes.
selenium is a very, very good element. So, do you have in mind to fortify mushroom with some useful element like selenium?
Mushroom is a good absorber, sir. So
Yes.
in the medium, if we add something, this mushroom will absorb that. It's the best
Right.
example is Chernobyl. Chernobyl, this nuclear devastation has been taken into control by fungal development. So we
Yes.
can say fungus is a good absorber. So the
Right.
medium where we produce these mushrooms can be fortified by the necessary elements which we assume can be taken up by the mushroom and it will
Right.
give us the health benefits, sir.
Why I'm telling you, I did some
Yes.
work on
Yes.
absorption of selenium into
Yes, sir.
mushroom.
Yes, sir.
Now I'm trying to market the powder of mushroom
Yes, sir.
along with selenium to the people for their benefit.
It's excellent work, sir.
So I want that you should also do something. You should fortify mushroom with some useful element and give it to the public.
Excellent work, sir. Excellent views and excellent works. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
One small clarification from my side
Yes, sir.
before Dr. Majumdar goes. Previous speaker was telling with reference to mushroom cultivation is a symbiotic, means with reference to other microorganisms. What is your opinion, sir? Are you using any such like other organisms for either shikate or oyster mushroom production?
Uh, uh, Actually, symbiotic means something which develops with the living plants and etc.
Exactly.
But we are always working with the this uh, biomass. That is not the live materials, live plants and etc. Recently, morels are also morels. We know it was symbiotic, but recently model cultivation is also successfully being done on this agro waste and etc. etc. Experiments are going on, sir. So we can avoid this symbiotic relation and life plants inoculation in life plants. What happens if we inoculate some culture in fungal culture in life plants? The immunity system of the life plants will antagonize with our fungal growth. So that way, live materials is presently isn't in my scope, sir. In my views, it's not in the scope, sir. I'm working with already all the other materials which are this produced in the bio wastes.
So one last question for you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Could you kindly suggest some lesser explored mushroom species that would be suitable for phytochemical analysis for my dissertation? Means apart from the oyster and the common one, button mushroom and shiitake mushroom.
Uh, Actually, what happened recently, 4 or 5 years back, all the mushroom has got excellent specific values, sir. Nutritional value, nutraceuticals, or antioxidants, or everything is there. Different mushrooms, so there is ample scope to work with these wild mushrooms also, and it is amply abundantly available in during the rainy season in the tropical areas. There is excellent way out, sir, but we need to explore. It's a very in the initial stage. So recently, I'd like to share one this my views with this community today, which I experienced. It was very new to me, so I'd like to share this experience. I went to this Bangalore summit where one scientist told me they are working on the bio waste of the this spent compost. When we produce button mushroom, there is huge amount of spent compost. They are producing biofuel from them, that spent compost, sir. And it's an excellent way out. Biofuel from this spent compost.
Mhm.
It's an excellent way out, sir. So, if this is successful, what happens? The mushroom becomes a byproduct. It gave me a new thought. So, how we can work with that? So, it is a very mushroom in our country is a very uh, nursery stage, and it can be explored to the zenith, sir.
Thank you so much, sir, for
Sir,
joining. Yeah.
in market, nowadays we are also getting this mushroom pickles.
Yes,
So
sir.
do they have the nutritive value than fresh mushrooms, or the fresh mushroom is recommended only?
Uh, the quantity of this mushroom in these pickles, if I prepare a pickle with fresh mushrooms or dry mushrooms, the cost will be very high. So what happens? We use vegetables, other vegetables along with it. So in that sense, what happens? The nutritional cost. What I'd like to say, fresh mushroom is the best, and it's digestible also. In pickles and etc., other things are there like salts and etc., which is not proper for the health. So fresh mushroom consumption and very light recipes, not very spicy, will give the best health benefits.
One question. Dr. Nagrani Mahajan, madam, you raised your hand.
Yes, ma'am.
Very query, ma'am. Dr. Nagrani Mahajan, madam.
Yes, ma'am. I'm there.
So one last question.
Yes, sir.
Uh, can we think of this what you call veterinary nutrition?
Yes, absolutely,
Yeah,
sir.
for with
From the
mushrooms, I mean,
spent compost.
for poultries or
From
for
the spent
other.
compost, sir. Spent compost is an excellent.
Uh-huh.
Recently, this I used this cordyceps. After harvesting the cordyceps, the spent product which is left behind, we used it as a fertilizer and we got excellent results. So I think that can also be used as poultry feed or goatry or this dairy feeds. And I hope, because the nutritional content of mycelia is also equivalent to these mushrooms. Mushroom we are consuming because it is tasty and it has got a texture, but the mycelia has got the same nutrients. So if we are not consuming mushrooms, so we can give it to the this poultry, dairy, and piggery or anywhere as supplement to their foods.
Okay, so thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much for joining our
Thank you.
discussion today, sir.
Thank you for inviting me for a brief this exposure, sir. Tomorrow we'll be meeting at SC College, sir.
Truly great, sir, to share
Thank you.
much about the mushroom, new technology, modern technology, and
Yes,
innovation.
in future also, if you arrange for such mushroom related this meetings and etc., I'm very much I'll be very happy to join, sir.
We should
Thank
have
you.
a full-fledged seminar, Dr. Tiwari,
Yes,
from
sir, we can conduct one.
Majumdar sir,
Yeah, yeah.
with a
Welcome.
PowerPoint presentation so that our student get
Mhm.
benefited.
Sure, sir.
Yes, sir. So if I am informed before, I can prepare the presentation
Yeah,
and
definitely.
go for today. Actually, Dr. Theory called me and I was not prepared to attend this meeting.
So this
So
is round table
but
discussion.
still,
We
it
do
was
only
a very. I enjoyed your company, everyone's company. I enjoyed very much, sir.
Wonderful.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much,
Thank
sir.
you. Thank you very much, sir.
So now,
Where can I share my details, sir?
so in the chat box, sir.
Where is the chat?
Here, just after the participants, sir, you can see the chat here. Just click here and
Oh,
you can write your details here, sir.
okay, sir. Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. So, dear participants, so Prakash Salami, sir, is here. So now we'd like to hear from you, sir. Hello.
Yeah, somehow not with reference to the mushroom cultivation, perhaps.
Mhm.
So I would request the students only to discuss or ask the questions if any other people can.
So one question from the students are there any new emerging medicinal values for mushroom unknown to the common people? Sir? Also, Saranjit sir is here.
Yeah, Suranjit Singh sir can tell that one.
Are you there, sir? Saranjit Singh sir.
Or if Majumdar sir knows this, he can also put a light on this aspect.
Which one, sir?
Sir,
Which one, sir?
question from the student, sir.
Hmm?
One question from the Brinda madam that are there
Yeah.
any new emerging medicinal values from mushroom unknown to the common people?
Uh, it's a very big subject, sir. Actually, it's a very, very big subject, sir.
Mhm.
So I think it is not beyond the scope of this today, and in future, sir, we can talk about
Yes.
it. It's a very big subject, sir.
And one more question from the Smith Patel. Any possibility that we can use poisonous mushroom for any medicinal purpose?
Yes, absolutely. It's banned in India. You know that, sir. Psilocybin. Psilocybin is being researched in European countries and America for the treatment of Parkinson's disease also, but it's banned in our country. So there is a very big scope of psilocybin in the worldwide states, sir. They are working on brain development. They are working on this Parkinson's. Huge medicinal importance. Every mushroom has got its own medicinal importance, sir, including the poisonous mushrooms.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir, for joining
Thank
today's session.
Thank you,
Definitely,
sir.
we will conduct one special session for you, sir.
Welcome, sir. Welcome. Welcome.
Thank you. So, dear participants, I have shared one feedback form. So, just fill out it so that we can issue the e-certificate. Saranjit sir is here. Dr. Majid Moidun sir is there. Dear participants, just unmute yourself. You can share your screen. Yes, Majid sir.
I love to eat mushrooms, but I don't know much about mushroom cultivations and all these things. But it's a good idea. So if I am thinking for the entrepreneurship, then I can go for this mushroom cultivation. It's a good idea, I think.
Sure, sir.
But I would like to know what is the market demand, and so that we can fulfill. Because in South India, very few people use these mushrooms than North Indian.
So the
So
last means previous two speaker, Dr. Prakuti Madam and Dr. D.K. Majumdar, sir. They mentioned the turnover, Prakuti Madam turnover is the 50 lakhs per year.
yes, yes,
Yeah, and Dr. D.K.
yeah,
Dr.
2 crores he was
2
telling.
crores something. So I
Yeah,
think that there is demand,
yes,
but so obviously it depends on the region.
yes, yes, yes.
So I shared one feedback form in the chat box. We just 1 or 2 minutes and fill out this. And also Prakriti Madam, Prakash Salami sir, and Dr. D.K. Majumdar sir had shared their WhatsApp number. You can copy it.
Yeah, my number is already shared because one
We have shared.
participant was inquiring. And in fact, CSIR ISBT has a Shikati mushroom production technology. So I can always get connected through them, and even previously Shapetera itself has one department, mushroom science and technology. But now, right now, not much research activities on that aspect, but we use actually byproduct. And of course, everyone knows that there is a Central Institute of Mushroom Research, Solan, I believe, in Himachal. So such large scale scope is there. Maybe when we come back again to discuss this topic more precisely, we get few of these experts when they will have a
Yes.
sufficient time to interact with our audience also.
Sure.
So I requested few days back Dr. Tiwari that related to mushroom also, as it is the actual microbial product which we consume, that it should be discussed in MBSI platform, and then we are actually lucky enough to have the glimpse of that information, and very good entrepreneurs were there, Dr. Trupti Dhakate and Dr. Majumdar also, and then they have given very insightful information.
Yes.
So many of our youngsters actually can emerge, taking this one as a advantage or as a roadmap. I believe Dr. Tiwari is quite busy tomorrow related to mushroom workshop.
Yes, sir.
So
We have one
yes,
seminar tomorrow.
exactly. So this is how actually the MBSI platform or our interaction actually helps each other, and we actually take out something, the incomplete information which was related to mushroom, about especially the poisonous mushroom, right? So unless it is identified, authenticated, we suppose not to consume unless its nutritional value is done. And as such, it is a microbial product, so contamination is a major challenge, which everyone who is microbiologists know. And then even initial one of the speaker also told that when it is a microbial product, we have to be very, very careful with from this contamination, right? Possible contamination and all. So it was quite impressive, useful session, I believe.
Pardon, sir?
It was quite a interesting and useful session
Yes,
for all
sir.
of us, right?
So, dear participant, this topic was suggested by Prakash Arami sir last week.
Yeah. I remember. It's a very interesting topic. Sir, what about this button mushroom? Because I tasted this button mushroom and milky mushroom I had tasted. Uh, so,
Prakash
hello.
Arami sir.
Let me, sir.
I think he disconnected now.
Okay.
Okay, so Dr. Majid, we will discuss in next session.
Sure. Okay.
Yeah, we
Thank
can
you.
have actually some 2-3 speakers lecture series type on mushroom cultivation
Sure, sir.
so that we give a different topic and then they give their own experience, and
Yeah.
This will
half,
also
half
help
an hour
the
for each speaker expert.
Hmm.
So some 1.5 hour session we can have one of the day. I think that can be interesting, and we from that
Correct.
today we have very good number of participants.
yes, sir, more than 40, sir, today.
Yes.
Near
We
to
are
50.
Yes.
very happy, and most of them are listening very carefully also.
Yes.
Not much disturbance.
And also most of them interacted, sir.
Exactly. Dr. Nagarani Mahajan has some clarification.
Raised her hand, but this is not.
Yeah, good evening, sir.
Good.
Thank you for calling out my name. I was traveling, so I was not able to respond to your call. And I wanted to know what are the major challenges that you know who are cultivating mushrooms they face, sir. There are any infections in the whatever where they are cultivating. In that, are there any uh, uh, contamination happening because of which the whole batch is disposed of? How do they take care of all those things? Are there any new scientific technologies being implied there? This is what I wanted to know.
Madam, since you are traveling, you are not heard. We were talking basically on the contamination only, since it is a microbial product.
Yes, sir.
Very prone
Probably
for
maybe I
contamination.
missed it. Yeah. If recording
And
is
once
there,
we
I
say
will
any
go back to
microbial
Yes,
it.
sir,
product and it is
recording will
used
be
for a
shared with me
consumption.
1 or 2 days,
Yes,
madam.
through recording, I will be
Recording
able
will
to
be
go back
shared,
to it.
madam.
Yeah. Yes, and a few things I wanted to add in. A lot of new technologies are there, and we are already using them. Some of them we can use are like gene editing, which I thought for improving the breeding of mushroom cultivation. That no, we are trying to do it. The process is slow. Probably we can take help of gene editing, which is not a GMO as of now. So that one thing, and also we can look at some of the aspects where we thought of like no substrate, whatever the spent substrate is left after mushroom cultivation, as already few of them has told, like can be converted into biofertilizers, as well as we can also think of biochar and no bioethanol production and all.
Thank you, madam.
Yeah.
Madam, Dr. Majumdar and Prakuti madam, they have shared their WhatsApp number. So for the production issue, you may contact them.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Here I am sharing the DK Majumdar contact. Yes, shared in here. And the Tripti madam also shared her contact number. They just shared in the chat box, madam. You can
Yes,
copy
sir.
this.
And also lignocellulosic mass is also, I think, there that can be no enhanced by using some of the technologies like genome editing and all. Those things we can think of how we can use
Yes, madam.
to improve overall production part. Thank you, sir.
That will help the industry, madam.
Absolutely, sir. We spoke mostly about the traditional and no other ways of improving the nutritional value and shelf life of mushroom, like no value addition part we discussed. But I think few places we spoke about no biofuel, but we did not talk much about it, and also biofertilizer we didn't talk much about it. These are the areas I think we need to focus more, along with adding value as a food part.
Yes, madam. Yes, now we are discussing only the means nutritional value of the mushroom, madam. Means most of the labs or the most of the industry, madam. But we should think. So thank you all the dear participants for joining today's roundtable discussion. And I hope that this will continue and we will join the next session also. Thank you everyone for joining today's session. Thank you, Prakash Alami, sir, for suggesting this
Thank you very much.
interesting topic.
Thank you, everyone.
I will today call you for the next topic, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Good night, sir.
Thank you, Majid, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Good night.
Good night. Yes, one Sagar Patel, sir. Just send me one message, okay? I will add you in WhatsApp group. You are from which state, Sagar Patel?
Sir, I am from Gujarat. Yes, I will send you message.
Okay. So just send one message. I will add you in the Gujarat group. We have means WhatsApp group for each every means state. Okay, so we'll add you in the Gujarat group, so you can get every information there.